ready to start living like a celebrity? Well, I'm here to help. With some celebrity inspiration and $1,000, it's time for a makeover. This is You Wish You Lived Here.
Hey, I'm Jessica, AKA Just Dance. I'm a DJ and wardrobe stylist, so I'm always running around Los Angeles. I never have time to work on my cozy but small studio. I love it so much, and it would be great to have some Selena Gomez style put in here. Do you think you can help me out?
Hey, Just Dance, ready for a Selena style transformation?
Oh my God, yes!
Awesome. Could you let me in?
This is it. So this is my kitchen. My biggest problem, I would say, is my fridge. It's way too small. The one thing moving into here I've always disliked were these cabinets.
Yeah, they seem quite outdated.
This AC is here. It's kind of in the way.
I can see that you use this table a lot.
It doubles as like a workspace, a meeting space.
I see that your DJ table is basically living on top of a dresser drawer.
I am also a wardrobe stylist, so there's like wardrobe in there.
Okay.
So it works as two things at once.
Right. I really want to know more about why you chose Selena Gomez as your celebrity inspiration.
I think she has great personal style. She's very chic and modern, and she definitely keeps it classy. She even gives back to her community, and I'm actually volunteering for inner city arts.
I just feel like it's time that you get a little bit of that love too. Let me tell you something I do know. Jess needs some spice in her space. Here's the plan. Jess has a cozy kitchen. Okay, let's be real, it's tiny. We're gonna move out the oversized furniture to open up the room and replace her smaller fridge with a larger one that fits the place better. Next, we'll paint accent walls using a mid-century modern color palette of teal and orange. Finally, we'll add some fun music-inspired surprises to round out the mid-century meets boho chic makeover. Are you ready? I'm ready, let's go. Music is a huge part of Jess and Selena's life. I have an idea. Let's make a DIY hanging cymbal lamp. First, get yourself a lamp making kit. You can find them at any hardware store. I got this one for about $10. Pull the frayed wire through the cymbal hole and attach the washers. Attach the electrical element. To do that, there's a smooth side and a ribbed side. The smooth side goes to the gold contact point. The ribbed side goes to the silver contact point. Use a Phillips head to tighten the wire into place. Slide on the socket cap. Screw in the washers and the light bulb. We're using an Edison bulb for an extra mid-century look. Hang your new light and enjoy. Buy toy dinosaurs. Cut a hole in the top of your dinosaur with a utility knife. Spray paint it. Add a plant into the hole. I think succulents work best for this. Their texture is so dinosaur-like. I'm a dinosaur. One great tip is considering taking off the cabinet doors entirely. It'll open up the room and afford you the opportunity to show off your personality more. Geometric shapes are a major theme in mid-century modern design. We are making a DIY geometric shelf that typically costs upward of $200, but by ordering pre-cut pieces of wood online, we're making them for Jess for way less. Align the wood pieces at their connecting points, apply a small amount of wood glue to your first connecting plane, and let it dry for 20 minutes. Apply glue to the second and third connecting points. Mission complete. Jess wanted to jazz up her boring space with something that reflected her and Selena's love of food, family, and music. Let's see if we nailed it. Okay, Jess, check out your new space.
Oh my God, this is amazing. It's literally like a dream come true.
Yeah, I'm so stoked. We got rid of your sofa and replaced it with one that fits the space a little better. It's not your same old love seat. So now people can come around, crash, and listen to you play your dope music.
That's so rad.
You're a musician, so we made you your very own DIY Cymbal ceiling lamps.
That is super cool.
I took out your small little mini fridge because the truth is you need way more space. Your fridge is now as cool outside as it is inside.
It looks really cool.
Yeah, I think so too.
I like
I'm
it.
just admiring it again. We've cascaded this entire room with geometric ply shelves that look really sophisticated and expensive, but actually the pieces of wood came pre-cut, so they were super easy to assemble and mount on your walls.
I definitely like it. It's probably one of my favorite things that you did.
Sweet. Your cabinet doors are no more. It's a really easy way to open up the space and get rid of something that was aesthetically not too pleasing.
I think it's way better than it was.
Sweet. I mean, does this look like the same room?
No, not at all. It looks like literally a dream out of a magazine.
Awesome. And now I have a surprise for you.
What's that?
Well, here's something you might not know. Selena actually loves her popcorn with pickle juice on it.
Really?
Yeah. We got all these Selena Gomez inspired upgrades for only $987.16.
I love my apartment. It's been a great change and the color is amazing. All the things that I love doing are just way more convenient and way more exciting to do.
Do you wish you lived here? Because I do now. Subscribe for more episodes of You Wish You Lived Here.